Hi everyone, I'm Sylvana from Backstage Hair Salon, and I'm sure by now you've received your color care kit. And I'm here today to show you guys how to use it. In your kit, you're going to be receiving your oil, which is going to be in this vial. You're going to be receiving color, that's going to be in one container, and you're going to be receiving the developer in the other container, as well as a color brush, an applicator brush, and a pair of gloves. It would be helpful if at home you had a sectioning clip, a jaw clip, a brush, or a comb. So we're going to start off by brushing your hair away from your face. I'm going to clip it away from the face. I'm going to grab some of the oil that you got in your vial. And just going to be applying the oil around the hairline. Just make sure you get enough saturation because you don't want to get any staining on your hairline. Now that we've protected the hairline, we're going to go ahead and start with our color. So we're going to take off the clip, and we're going to be mixing the developer into the color. Just make sure that you're stirring it and you're getting it a nice creamy consistency. Alright, so our color's mixed, we have our hairline protected, we're ready to go. What we're going to do is pick up a comb, brush, whatever you have, and we're going to start off by applying your color along your hairline, where you see gray. All the way down the back of the ear. We're doing the same on the other side. Applying the color onto the root area along the hairline where you see gray hair. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the hair straight down the middle, the T-zone, and we're going to be applying the color onto the regrowth. Once you've applied that, you're going to take another section from the top of the head to the back of the ear. You're going to push that away again and be apply the color onto the growth. So now we have 4 sections. Then you're going to start working from the top of the head. We're going to be having about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch horizontal section. And you're going to be applying straight on the regrowth. So once you've done this section, what you're going to do is, with the tail of the brush, you're just going to be bringing the hair all the way down. Now you're going to start off with the next section. The same thing, going to be doing 1/8 of an inch to about 1/4 of an inch, horizontal sections, all the way down. Okay, so now once you're finished, again, you're going to be, the tail of the brush, you're going to be just pulling down that section that we just taken. And now you're going to start with the back of the head. Now back and through here, you have 2 sections. You're going to be applying from the top of the head again, 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. At the root, moving your way all the way down to the nape area. Just try to do the best that you can, ensuring that you get all of the gray in the back. Make sure you have a towel to clean your hands. Now once that's done, we're going to be processing for 45 minutes. Now, if you're feeling that your ends are looking a little bit dry looking or dull looking and you want to kind of make them a little more vibrant or richer looking, what you can do is you can spray with a spray bottle some water onto the mid-shaft and ends lightly, misting everywhere, and applying a little bit more color to your hair and emulsify the color all the way throughout the mid-shaft and the ends for the last 10 minutes. After 45 minutes, rinse your hair thoroughly, follow with your desired shampoo and conditioner, and then you're ready to go. You can style your hair, do as you please, braid it, blow dry it, curl it, diffuse it, have fun with it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it all works out for you. Can't wait to see you all back in the salon. Can't wait for all this to be over. Stay safe.